cold out. It's about like 30 degrees. I may have misjudged how cold it was gonna be, but I think I'll be warming up if I start moving. So let's hit the trail. I think we've gone up about half a mile so far from the trailhead. I need to check my phone because I think I took a wrong trail last time I was up here. Let's see, which way do I go? Oh no, I just keep going on the same one. Still got all that left to do. This is no better time to start walking than now. I have a breakfast planned, which is going to be a half of a New York strip steak. I got 2 eggs. And then a little thing of country potatoes. Sounds good to me. But that'll be up at the cave, or the old mine, I should say. Very beauty out. It's so nice out here. It's lightly snowing too. Big puddle. We did it. We made it past the puddle. I think that's a woodpecker down there. I mean, you're not going to be able to see it. I saw it. More and more snow. Comment snow if... So this is the mistake I made last time, was going down that road over there when I should have came up here. It's gorgeous. Dude, just look at those, just look at the mountains. We have gained 400 feet in elevation. We did a mile in about 25 minutes. Getting a little famished, ready for that steak. Looks like I made it up far enough to see some pines. Can't even see the trail. I think I am on the right trail. It's just very snowy and a little scary right there, so hopefully we can do it without falling into the creek. Maybe just a tiny bit of snow on me. Jeez. I didn't realize there was this much snow up here. I guess I'm in the mountains after a snowstorm. What a cool little spot. It's flowing fast. I think I have to cross the stream because there's nothing else, nowhere else I can go. I think we got 1/10 of the mile to the cave. I'm just gonna come up through here and see what happens of it. Jeez, getting a lot of snow on me. I'm gonna be absolutely drenched. little bit of wind came through and dumped some snow. I think if I hike up through there, I think it should be easier to cross. This looks a little deep. Oh yeah, here we go. Here's a little bridge. This is a difficult trail in the snow. I mean, I'm absolutely covered. My backpack's covered. Everything's covered. And now I see trail. We're back on it. Yes! Get in! I believe that it is snack time. What do you know about these? Regular Captain Crunch with some Cadbury eggs, and it's gonna be lovely. Best chocolate. I did bring eggs, so I want to see how those are doing. No way. They're still intact. Let's go. I probably jinxed it now, and it's just gonna be just all scrambled when I get up there in like 5 minutes. Woo! I was probably just looking at the screen instead of the camera, so sorry. I will do better. All right. Oh man, the snow is probably like 6 inches deep. Is this it? Oh man, this is it. Just up this hill. It's kind of spooky looking. That's spooky. I don't even know if I want to check that out or not. Looks like a good place to set up shop and cook. So let's do it. Let's see how this chair does. Let's see how the seat feels. Old mine. I don't know much about it. I know they found silver and lead and maybe trace amounts of copper, but there you go. Maybe I'll go in it for a couple feet, maybe 2 feet. So I say we make do. And I tested this out yesterday. Tested this little stove with a pan I brought from home. So I think it should be fine. I mean, it worked. I definitely don't have to worry about catching any vegetation on fire. Locked in place. Okay. See if she works. She does. It's kind of nice up here. I wish I had a bigger seat, but hey, you know what they say, beggars can't be choosers. Don't you know? There we go. I have my pan. Have my plate. Did the eggs make it? They did! Oh yeah, I brought a banana too. Nice. Half of a New York strip. Some of these taters. And a banana, I guess. Seasonings and beef tallow. Yum. Just a healthy amount. Let's get this thing started. This smells so good. We'll let that cook for a minute. Oh, We're doing it. We're doing it. I guess we're not doing it. Darn. Okay, we love that. Not much of a sear, maybe a little bit right there, but hey, can't complain about a steak up in the mountains. The eggs are cooking, kind of. I'm just gonna let everything steam. How are we looking? Woohoo! See if I can flip this jam. That's probably gotta be the most unappealing steak I think I've ever made. There it is. Eggs, potatoes, steak. A mountain man's dream breakfast. Let's dig in. Get some of the potatoes and eggs. That is dumb, how good that is. Not even gonna use a knife for the steak. Mmm. That's really good. I mean, it doesn't look the most appetizing, but boy, I think though, I'm gonna add a little bit more of this to everything. The Blend by Kinder's, good stuff. Wow. I mean, I'm pretty sure I undercooked this. I don't really care. I undercooked some of the potatoes. The eggs are a little bit runny, but hey. Still good. It's gotten real cold since I've just been sitting and doing nothing. Me in the cave. Eating food. Yep. Most people don't know this, but about like caves and old mines is that they're really shy and they don't like to talk much. There you go. So much food. I thought I brought a good amount, but I guess potatoes are a filler. But we need energy. It's getting windy. I got some, I shouldn't be talking while eating. I'm sorry. I have some things planned I want to do for late spring, early summer. And doing these hikes is helping towards that eventual video. Eventually? I don't care. Flame me all you want in the comments of how I talk. I don't care. You're the one watching me. Last bite. That was good. Let's pack everything back in. Oh, wait. Snack. They're so buttery. Let's get to cleaning up. Well, I guess we'll do what I wanted to do in the video, which is explore this creepy cave for mine. I mean, I did say I was going to come in only a couple feet. Look, if you want to go watch someone that explores caves, go ahead and watch them. I'm not into it. I'm just not a big spelunker. I guess it's an old mine. I always call it a cave. Probably because it looks like a cave. Oh, it's getting cold. I think I'm gonna head back. But that was fun. That was a fun hike. It was just a short little trip. I don't know who's crazy enough in their minds to come out and walk all the way up here for some silver. I guess people back in the early 1900s didn't have anything else to do. All right, we're heading back, and it's cold. I was sweating like crazy coming up here, but my hair is about to freeze. But yeah, we just have about 1.7 miles back down, and it's downhill, so that's nice. It's a lot nicer than grueling uphill in the snow. But yeah, I got a full stomach. Energy's high. Feeling great. A nice morning hike. Never hurt no one. Also, shout out to Katie for cleaning the pan that I brought. I think she also washed that one cup that I store all the things in, but I didn't use it. But thanks, Katie, for cleaning. Give a thanks, Catherine, in the comments for all of her hard work. I see blue skies. Well, we made it. We made it. Made it past the sketchy spot. Oh my gosh. Never mind. I'm gonna put the camera down. Oh, I think we're back on the trail, like the access road. Woohoo! We got flow. Lots of flow. Along the trail, I'm gonna try to find some more skippable rocks. Found our first skippable rock. I think I'm just gonna pick up 3. And that's it. You know the rules. Found my other 2 stones. Let's go skip them. I know I said 3 only, but I may have found the best skipping stone thus far. Look at that. Look at that disc. I'm hoping 8 skips with this thing. 8 skips. That one was only 3 skips, and that was the one I promised would be 8 skips. The last one was the best one. Deal. I will get better at skipping rocks eventually, don't you worry. I'm beat. Hiked for 2 hours and 34 minutes. I went 3.92 miles. 7,600 steps. Holy. 909 calories burned. My ascent was 1,092 feet. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know what I'll do next, but I'm sure you'll see. Peace. Peace, peace.